Sa huling laban ng ating elimination round right here on GMA News TV. Bato naman natin ngayon kay Ann Remulla.
Thanks, Noel. Coach Clint Malazzo couldn't stress enough how his team is unable to answer the returns of the LSUD. Ang sabi niya, hirap na hirap tayo. Malakas ang opensa nila. And in fact, if you look at the lineup, ang sabi niya sa mga players niya, we actually have the best volleyball players on our side. League's best scorer, Jengoli, and MVP, Sue Roses. Ang sabi rin ni Coach Clint sa team, we need to maximize on their strong offense. But he also pointed out that they can only do so if they work on improving their reception and defense. Now, ang sinabi niya sa team, gusto niyang makita nga lumalaban sila ngayong third set and not to just give up easily and give the LSUD a good fight. Noel and Ivy?
Well, let's see if that good fight happens as may bagong bunot na naman dito si Coach Clint with the insertion of Catherine Villegas. Lunag. Bowley now through the net. So, and another one from Desangaño.
Desangaño really making it easy for the attackers.
Hindi na hinabol yung buhok niya ron. So, ang ganda na ng tira dito ni Bowley. But again, Yari Yonko making things happen. And that second ball point. At dami na nakukuhang puntos dito si Desangaño. Because it's the official ball of the Shakey's V-League. Bowley, yes. But she cannot do it alone. Sue Roses cannot do it alone.
They would definitely need the help of the rest of the team. Hindi po pwedeng alam lang ng Lasal na sila lang ang babantayan and all the rest, they will just need to let go.
Lea Mojo with a good serve and Bowley kept alive by Desangaño again. Naka-block na naman siya ron. Bowley now out of position. Yari Yonko. Desangaño across. Monique Chanco. Crisostomo. Bowley. Delayed it. Eto ngayon si Yonko. Lost her balance also on that one.
Bowley cross court. Desangaño to Yonko. Off the hands of Villegas.
Back row siya doon, ha? And now Lasal Dasmariñas with a 1-point lead. And tignan natin if she was really behind the line nga. Uy!
She was.
Oh. Effective. It works. Desangaño.
Good strong serve.
Soltones with the reception. Lea Mojo now for Bowley off the hands of Lunag. At nasira tuloy ang flight pattern nitong si Yumi Yonko. Galing sumayaw, Yonko sisters. Dapat pag may nag-best player sa kanilang dalawa, sample. Sample. Ganun dapat. Napasayaw si Barry Pascua. Narinig yung sample. Here is the combination now for Yari Yonko. Bumalik sa mukha niya. Kanina pa siguro naghahanap ng sa araw pa siguro naghahanap ng facial yan. Nakuha na niya tuloy.
Dito libre.
Dito libre. Sakit nga lang minsan. Pero
tiis ganda, di ba?
Mamula-mula ka naman after, di ba? Tiis ganda.
Off the hands of Bowley.
That's a very Ivy Remulla way of putting things. Tied at 11. Ito si number 11 now to serve. Cherry Rose Lunag.
Dalawa.
Good serve.
Crisostomo. Oh, wow.
Roses with a good quick hit.
So sa quick at saka sa running, daling-dali ni Sue dito sa larong ito. Pero hindi pa rin nakakaalagwa itong San Sebastian. They're only leading by 1. And they are still down 2-0. Bowley.
Oh, very good jump serve.
At naibalik ka agad. So tantamount to. Free ball ang binigay doon. But another free ball going back for San Sebastian. Yonko tapping it across. Crisostomo. Bowley just behind the line. Pero napunta sa Green Hills yung tira niya.
I think the set was a bit too low, so walang choice si Bowley.
Talent lang.
Tied at 12.
Patayin nyo rin si Gretchen.
David's Front Family Pizza. It's gotta be Shakey's.
Chanco for the serve. Good reception from Bowley. They go to Soltones. Cross court. Chanco is there.
And here is Bembo.
Bembo cross court.
Dinaretso sa mukha ni Soltones. Bowley into the net. Lamang na naman ang Lasal Dasmariñas.
And again, errors on the part of San Sebastian.
Monique Chanco now. Serving once again. Bowley. Crisostomo running again. Oy, nakapangan na ni Bembo. That is the first time it has not been successful para kay Roses. 14-12, nababasa na. Kitang-kita natin yung depensa. Single block from Giselle Bembo. Crisostomo. Soltones! Welcome back.
And she obviously make it look very easy. That was a good setup as well from Crisostomo.
Latigay na latigay, no? Yan ang maganda, no? You see the next generation. Kahit kayo, Ivy, naglalaro kayo sa Lasal, pag nakikita niyo yung next generation, nakukumpara niyo sa inyong mga sarili, ayun yung clone ko. Upgraded clone. Nice block there coming from Roses. Yonko, Bembo off the block. Crisostomo now. Here's Soltones once again over everybody. Bembo.
Off speed. They go to
Crisostomo,
Soltones.
Oh, wow. Nice reception there, or nice dig there coming from Yumi Yonko. Berbano. At pumasok yun. 14-14. Now, ito na naman, the very strong serve coming from the very diminutive Risha Crisostomo. Hindi na masyado malakas that time. Desanganyo. Yonko.
is blocked.
Here's Bembo sa kabila naman ngayon. Still altered there by Berbano. Bowley. Parang long jump eh.
And that attack seemed as if frontliner ang pumalo. Let's take a look at that
That's
last
definitely
hit.
behind the line.
It is.
Oh.
But this time around, kasi the set was really in place.
Right.
So, hindi siya nahirapan. Pansin mo yung mga iba talagang parang naglo-long jump talaga siya eh.
Desanganyo. Manzano, nice dig by Bowley, who's doing everything right now for San Sebastian. And Soltones got it through.
And they said, referee said, no touch for
Tumama.
the antenna.
Oo. So 16-14, San Sebastian.